dugsiyada Noradin Schools.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Ikhwaani once again. We were on conjunctions. Due to the conjunction is a very long lesson. Due to that, we will continue the previous lesson, conjunctions. Starting giving you more examples first about the coordinating conjunctions, and then we will move to subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. These more examples are really reminder to the previous lesson, which was coordinating conjunctions. You remember we were studying coordinating conjunction the previous class, which was about fun boys. You remember, guys? Fun boys. Okay. Fun. Okay. Boys. Fun boys. That was the word I told you. This is the only word that you can remember about. And let me give you quick examples about more examples about the previous lesson, which was coordinating conjunctions. Okay, as you can see here, more are the examples of coordinating conjunctions. This was the previous class. He plays tennis and soccer. Soccer is a football, right? He works quickly but accurately. So the word but, as I already told you, conjunction is a word which connects two words, phrases, or clauses together. You can also say you had better do your homework, or you will get a terrible grade. Okay, and I have to stress this example. You had better do your homework. I told you that. Or you will get a terrible grade. You guys be very careful about that. You have to do your homework. Okay, gentlemen. Now, today we are starting correlative conjunctions. Very simple question to a very simple answer. Look, what is a correlative conjunctions? What are the correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs. Don't forget that. They always work in pairs. In pairs. They don't stand alone. They work in pairs. They work in pairs to coordinate two items. Examples of coordinating conjunctions include both and, either or, not only, but also. I told you in the first class that the correlative conjunctions really work in pairs. Fine, they work in pairs. These are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Fine. These are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Okay. Correlative conjunctions. All right. Correlative conjunctions. All right. Correlative conjunctions. Okay. Correlative conjunctions. All right. This is the conjunction, and this must be the example. Right. Okay. I told you that correlative conjunctions, they work in pairs. They work in pairs. Right. So as you can see here, both and. Both and. One very simple example is here. The company deals in both hardware and software. You see, they work in pairs. Both and. The company deals in both hardware and software. You see, because correlative conjunctions, they work in pairs. And this is also another example. Either or you can say either or. I will eat either carrots or bees for dinner. You can say I will either eat lahooh, bread, or bees, rice for dinner. Okay, it's easy. You understand? Rice Okay, simple. And this one. Neither, 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 no. Neither, no. Or you can say neither, no. This is Nutella. Makes neither milk nor cream. Nutella is a name. Neither makes, Nutella makes neither milk nor cream cakes, Right. I told you that correlative conjunction is they work in pairs. And this one is what? Whether or. Whether or. Whether or. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Do you care whether we have noodle is a type of spaghetti, rice or dinner? Okay. A correlative conjunction is they work in pairs. Not only, but also. He not only studies hard, but also works well. But also. Not only, but also. Correlative conjunction is they always work in pairs. This one is such that. Okay, such that. It's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. All right. So correlative conjunction is they work in pairs, right? As you can see here. This is also another correlative conjunction. What it is? It is what? It's scarcely when. And then you say, scarcely had she entered the room when the phone rang. Always correlative conjunction is they work in pairs. And we come the final example. Okay. Look. And here are more examples. I didn't know that she can neither read nor write. You can either walk to school or, because correlative conjunction is they work in pairs. Both Sarah and Jama are invited to the party. See, and we have here whether you watch TV or do your homework is your decision. Or we can say not only are they noisy, but they are also lazy. Okay. This must be the end of also correlative conjunctions. Let's now move to the subordinating conjunctions. Okay, what are subordinating conjunctions, my dear? Subordinating conjunctions are also called subordinators. Okay, are conjunctions that join dependent or subordinating clause to an independent or main clause. Okay, this lesson is a little bit challenging if you haven't had the sentence structures. If you don't know simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence, it will be a little bit challenging. But I hope we have had that lesson in the class previously. So subordinating conjunctions are also called coordinators. They connect independent clause to an dependent clause. Okay, dependent clause to an independent clause. But let's divide subordinating conjunction into these categories. Okay, comparison conjunction, time conjunction, concession conjunction, and also we have what? We have relative pronouns that really function or act like a conjunction. We have this one, reason conjunction, and also condition conjunctions, right? How many conjunctions have I divided the coordinating conjunction, the subordinating conjunction? I have divided into comparison conjunction, and also time conjunction, concession conjunction. So let's see this one. Comparison conjunctions are like then, rather than, whether, as much as, and whereas. But time conjunction can be like after, as soon as, until, whenever, and now that. And here we have what? We have what? We have the concession conjunction. It can be like this: conjunction, concession conjunction. Though, although, even though. Right. Okay. And now we have this one. Sorry. We have this one. The relative pronouns can also function as what? The relative pronouns can also function as what? As a conjunction. They are called the relative pronouns functioning as a connectors. Functioning as a connectors. Like this one. Who, whoever, whom, and also whomever, and finally whose. These also can function as the connectors, or as the linkers, or as a conjunction. Here we also have another conjunctions known as the concession conjunction, the reason conjunction. Because I have divided the subordinating conjunction into how many? Into these categories. Because, since, so that, in order to, and finally as, are also known as what? Reason conjunction. And we come right here, condition conjunction. Condition conjunction can be like if, only if, unless, provided that, and finally, assuming that. Okay. We also have another conjunctions, which can be like a place conjunction. Okay. They can also be called adverb of place. Adverb of place. So they are functioning as a conjunctions. They are where. They are what? Where, and wherever. They are known as what? Place conjunctions. There are also another relative, they are called relative adjectives. So these relative adjectives are also functioning as a conjunction. Like the word that, like the word whatever, and the word which, and the final word which is whichever. Here we get manner conjunctions. They tell us a manner. How, although, and finally as if. Okay, let's take quick examples about this. Okay, we have some examples, okay, about this, about subordinating conjunctions. Okay, subordinating. More examples about subordinating conjunctions. Other more examples of subordinating conjunctions. Okay. These are very simple. He reads the newspaper after he finishes work. Look, after. After. It's a time conjunction, right? He reads the newspaper. After. The word after now joins dependent clause to an independent clause. So if you don't know these subordinating conjunctions, you cannot really connect subordinating conjunction to independent sentence to independent clause to independent clause. Right. Here we got even if. The word even if is also what? Is also a subordinating conjunction. Even if you got the best grade. Even if you got the best grade. Even if you got the best grade in the writing test, you will need to pass an oral test. Right. This is a really very good example. This can encourage you to always try to learn more, and you need to focus on the speaking section of your English. Although is also a subordinating conjunction. It joins what? Dependent clause to an independent clause. Okay, you can see these examples quickly. Let's quickly read. He is very old. He goes jogging every morning. Although he is very old, he goes jogging every morning. Because subordinating, mashallah, I can see Professor Umar jogging in front of me now, and I have to start jogging too. See, okay, even though he's very old, but I don't think Umar and I are very old. We are very young. We can run very fast and faster than you. Okay, although he's very old, he goes jogging every morning. Okay, sorry. She didn't go to the school because she was ill. Because she was ill. Dependent clause to an independent clause. Okay, dependent clause to an independent. It joins dependent to an independent. Okay, they went to bed since it was late. And here we got, she didn't go to school because. And finally, as soon as the teacher had arrived, they started work. So as soon as the teacher, the word as soon as is also a subordinating conjunction. It joins dependent clause to an independent clause. I hope this lesson will be very helpful for you guys, because on page 83, if we don't master the conjunction is the linking word is, we cannot really understand the lesson on that page, which is writing logically. So inshallah, I want you read over and over again this lesson, and I will send you the exercise on your WhatsApp group. This is Cabdisalaam Ikhwaani saying once again, I hope you have a bright future, and please remember that learning English language will help you inshallah understand your all science lessons, and it can also help you become a religious orientator. Assalamu alaikum. This is Cabdisalaam Ikhwaani saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.